Think your niche is too unconventional to get approved? Most business owners don't realize how often PayPal or Stripe reject perfectly legitimate businesses. Here's a quick way to check. Just search what businesses get rejected by PayPal or Stripe, and you will see pages of restricted industries. Many are surprising. Everything from coaching programs to certain subscription models can trigger rejections. For business owners, that uncertainty means wasted time and risk of losing revenue. That's where Easy Pay Direct makes a huge difference. They underwrite your account upfront so you know you are approved for your niche. Plus, they support nearly every vertical, even those considered high risk. You also get white glove service, a dedicated point of contact who helps you keep payments stable and accounts secure. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get recurring billing built in, making it simple to handle subscriptions or memberships without extra tools. If you're ready for reliable payment processing, no matter your niche, EasyPay Direct makes it easy to get approved and stay approved. Just fill out their quick sign up form. The links in the description to get started.